Hey there everybody, I'm over here at my new listing in University Place of North Dallas. The address here is 17734 Shumard Oak Trail, Dallas, Texas 75252. Whoop, there's my sign. So we are here in my own neighborhood. We've got single family homes here, we've got large lots, and we also have townhomes. All of these townhomes are built by Ashton Woods. And they've all been built within the past 5 years. This one is 2018, so relatively new. I'm gonna turn you around and flip you. So here's what we got. You're gonna pull up to the street. You got your garage in the front with your 2-car spaces. This is a 2-story townhome. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. All the bedrooms are located upstairs. This is listed at $499,000. The cool thing about this is regarded as a corner lot. You can see between these two, normally with the townhomes, they'll be connected, but this one's only connected by one side. You actually have a little bit of an alleyway here, so your backyard is extended. Now let's go through and take a look at this townhome. Open concept, you walk right into the kitchen. Stainless steel appliances throughout. Electric stove, dishwasher is found here that I'll show you. Microwave. The refrigerator does convey with the property, and you even have additional storage. Most people use this as a coffee bar on the other side. So you have the subway tile backsplash, quartz countertops. They really have chosen a neutral palette. I'd call it beige, so then that way you can choose whatever color palette you want and it's gonna match. I also love these modern fixtures as well. They're a bit dramatic with the chain, I think, and I think that's also kind of cool. Let's flip around here to the other side. There's that dishwasher I promised you about, but this island is absolutely enormous. I mean, you could host many a gathering. All your Thanksgiving food could just go right on this area. And you're going, well, where am I supposed to eat? Where's my big dining room table go? Well, this area right here that looks out to the backyard could be used as a dining room. You know, having a nice light fixture up there would be nice as well. But they've installed a lot of LED lighting throughout the bottom floor, so you can see how bright it is. Now, I want you to also notice that because this has been built in 2018, we've got some GFCI protected outlets. That's always a good thing to notice in the kitchen. You've got this huge walk-in pantry. You can even put more storage up there. Here's the garage, that front garage that I was talking about. 2-car garage. You also have an anti-scale system for your water. This helps with, purifying all the water that comes out of sinks, out of bathroom faucets, etc. Your water heater is located out here. So how great is that when you're parking your car, bringing in the groceries, you can just dump it right here on the huge island. The other thing I'm going to be showing you is this opens right up to the living room space with the gas fireplace. The stone goes all the way up to the ceiling. I think that's a nice touch. Plenty of space here. Opened up to the kitchen. Here we have our thermostat. Downstairs here, we also have the half bath for company to use. That way no one has to run all the way upstairs just to use the toilet. This is considered, as I mentioned before, a premium lot. So let's look out here. You do have a bit of a covered patio. And then a nice size yard for a townhome. You've got this wrought iron here too, so you know that's going to be staying intact for a while. Only one side of it is actually wood. Now behind that is a school where you're going to see their soccer field, where majority of the time there's nobody out there. So they're not going to be building anything there too, so you get a lot of privacy. As we come back into the house, I want to go upstairs. So we have a carpeted staircase. All the bedrooms are located upstairs. And I do think that this is kind of a creative way to use this space. As we come to the top of the stairwell, we have this flex space. It overlooks, you've got this little wall. A lot of people here will build a desk or put a couch here, additional library, additional play den. I mean, you could really use this for just about anything. I like it because, you know, I would probably use it as an office. Now, bedroom number 1. We're looking at about 12, 13 feet with closet. I'm also seeing that there's not, the only place that's carpeted is the stairs. So that's great for easy cleanup. Think about all the rugs. Here's bedroom number 2. I like this one because it's got the 3 windows, a lot of natural light pouring in. As you look out this window too, boop, you can see some of the other townhomes. Now this bedroom though does have a walk-in closet. Now I love, and this is something I didn't even mention, that this townhome is at the end. So you're not end of the neighborhood. Here's the laundry room, by the way. End of the neighborhood, so you're not having anyone up your butt with a coconut. There's nobody else building or anything like that. I like having the utility room upstairs. Think of how easy folding laundry is and taking it to the bedrooms would be. Here is your secondary bathroom. You have a shower tub combo. They selected this grayish, which definitely matches the downstairs Quartz countertops. That way, once again, cohesive with colors. Dual sinks with Egyptian porcelain. Linen closet. And then we're gonna go over into the primary. Now this whole space, not the primary, here's your primary. This whole space, property, is just shy of 2,000 square feet. You've got 10-foot vaulted ceilings, ceiling fan. Here's that soccer field that I was talking about. So you don't have anyone building behind you. Primary bath, private water closet, it's the pee-pee room, separate shower. Once again, the grayish tile throughout, very cohesive. Garden tub, dual sinks with the Egyptian porcelain, and walk-in closet. Now this neighborhood is called University Place. It's $750 a year for the Homeowners Association, but for this one, it's $220 a month. What that also includes is you have access to all the amenities. We have a wading pool, a regular size pool, and an Olympic size swim pool for exercise. We have the an office area. We also have a couple of dog parks. This will also maintain your front and backyard. We've got jogging trails, walking trails. We've got food trucks and events coming here as well. What am I missing? Doggy cleanup stations. Oh, and a playground area too. So if you want any more information about this particular property or University Place, please reach out for me below. I'd love to chat with you about it. Bye-bye.
Take pride in your real estate experience.